The biggest thing that UPI sold you was the idea that payments are free. You probably used UPI today, maybe even more than once. And not once were you asked to pay for a fee. But every UPI transaction needs to be processed, verified, and securely transferred between two banks. And that does cost some money. So if you're not paying for it, then someone else is. Back in 2020, the Indian government made a rule. Banks cannot charge a fee for UPI payments. Not from you, not from the store. To help offset this cost, the government provides banks and payment platforms with a yearly subsidy. But that also isn't really enough. Banks still absorb the cost every time you make a UPI payment. So UPI isn't really free because banks or payment apps decided to be generous. It's free because the government wanted digital payments to be the default. And judging how often we scan QR codes, I'd say that worked. But here's the interesting part. If Google Pay and PhonePe don't make money from your transactions, and the government yearly subsidies aren't also enough, then how do they make profit at all? It's not from the payment, but it's from what happens after the payment. They can offer loans, insurance, investments, bill payments, rewards, and other financial services. So the payment here was never really the business. It was the reason why you opened the app. That's the business behind this aisle. See you in the next.